Timmy is in his room, tinkering with wires and circuits. Robo, the robot pet, is sitting nearby. Timmy, excitedly, "Look, Robo! If I add this circuit, you'll be able to fetch my shoes." He connects the wires and Robo's eyes light up. Robo, cheerfully, "Fetching shoes, initiating sequence." Robo zooms off and returns with Timmy's shoes in no time. Timmy, laughing, "Wow, you're amazing! This is going to make everything so much easier." Timmy's mom is in the kitchen. Timmy enters with Robo. Mom, smiling, "How's the robot pet working out, Timmy?" Timmy, "Great! Robo can clean my room, make snacks, and even play games." Robo beeps in agreement. Robo, "I am the ultimate helper." Mom, "Just remember, Timmy, it's important to do things yourself too." Timmy and Lily are playing at the park. Robo is cleaning the area. Lily, giggling, "Look at Robo go, he's like a superhero." Timmy, smiling, "Yeah, but sometimes I feel like he does everything for me." Lily, curious, "What do you mean?" Timmy, "I miss building models and playing without him doing it all." Timmy is sitting alone while Robo cleans and tidies up everything. Robo, cheerfully, "Cleaning completed. What's next, Timmy?" Timmy, sighs, "I don't know, Robo. Maybe just let me play?" Robo doesn't respond. Timmy, frustrated, "You're not supposed to do everything." Mr. Grumble walks by as Robo makes noise in the yard. Mr. Grumble, shouting, "What's all this racket? Can't a neighbor get some peace around here?" Timmy, nervous, "Sorry, Mr. Grumble. It's just Robo being helpful." Mr. Grumble, grumbling, "Well, I'm tired of it. If you don't keep it down, I'll report you." Timmy looks worried as Mr. Grumble storms off. Timmy is in his room, looking upset. Robo approaches. Robo, concerned, "Timmy, are you unhappy?" Timmy, "I feel like you're doing everything for me, Robo. I want to play and have fun, not just sit around." Robo, "But I thought helping made you happy." Timmy, "It does, but I want to be part of it too." Timmy and Lily gather sit with Robo. Lily, "Let's reprogram Robo so he can help, but still let you play." Timmy, determined, "Right. Robo, we need to teach you how to be a friend, not just a helper." They start adjusting Robo's settings. Robo, reprogramming. "What is fun?" Timmy, "Great. Fun is playing games together and enjoying ourselves." Timmy invites the neighborhood kids, including Mr. Grumble, for a fun day. Timmy, "Come join us for games and snacks." Robo is there, helping but also playing along. Lily, "Look, Robo is playing hopscotch." Timmy, "Yes, he's learning how to have fun." At the end of the day, Mr. Grumble approaches Timmy. Mr. Grumble, "You know, I thought I'd hate all this noise, but it's nice to see everyone having fun." Robo, cheerfully, "Playing is fun. Initiating friendship mode." Timmy, "I've learned that technology is great, but nothing beats having fun together."
Subscribe to my channel.